I'm Elijah Obori, the CEC in charge of Agriculture, Fisheries and Cooperative Development, Kisii County. We have had a meeting with the county commissioner and the security team over the issue of fake fertilizer in the county. Farmers should not go to the markets and purchase anything which is purported to be a fertilizer being sold in the open air market. Farmers are encouraged to go to the designated agrovet shops where they are supposed to buy fertilizer from, and especially during this planting season. Should desist from going to open air markets to purchase the fertilizers. Issues dealing with the seed which is sold in the open air market should not be bought, because that does not form part of the certified seeds which farmers are supposed to plant. Now, when they buy fertilizer from this open air market, it affects our food security, because the source of that fake fertilizer is not known and it cannot be traced. Warning to the traders to stop selling fake fertilizers in the open air market starting from this time. Actually, we are going to carry out an operation in all the markets in the county. So anybody who is found to be selling fake fertilizers, they are going to be apprehended.